What don't you understand about traditional diets? Traditional diet is all about how natural and organic food can be included in the meal. With the development of the age, scientists have successfully investigated a variety of chemical additives to enhance the taste of food. The kitchen utensils and ingredient used have also become more advanced and diverse. This is how the modern diet was gradually formed. Do you think that modern diet is a good invention? Today, let's discuss the differences between the traditional and modern diets. During the olden time, the method used to preserve food was very sparse. Marinate food with salt, sugar, or vinegar is commonly used to preserve the food. Example, salted fish and bacon is done by treating the meat with salt. Besides, they would also dry the food with air before winter. Moreover, cheese and yogurt are products formed from the fermentation of milk. Soy sauce, the simplest seasoning we use, is also done by fermentation of soybean. For now, scientists have found out the other methods to keep food for a longer time. When we buy industrial processed food, we can see that a lot of chemical substances have been added to the food. For example, sodium benzoate is a type of antiseptic which is added in drinks to prolong its expiry date. Next, foods are also kept in vacuum packaging. Vacuum packaging isolates the food with air, which also inhibits the biochemical reaction of bacteria to prevent the food from becoming rancid. Apart from that, the cooking methods and utensils used in olden and modern times are also different. In olden times, roasted food with fire was the easiest way to cook the food. Wood and coal are the main materials which are used for combustion. Furthermore, they have also made their cooking utensils by using clay, wood, and also bamboo. In this modern era, the role of wood and coal are replaced by gas and electricity. Cooking utensils such as oven, microwave, and air fryer have made the process of cooking more convenient. Meanwhile, it has also shortened the time to prepare a meal. For instance, roast chicken with oven is easier compared to traditional one, as we just need to set the time and temperature of cooking. In addition, we can see that modern food now is rich in color compared to traditional food. This is caused by the addition of colorant. Most of the colorant used in modern food is made from artificial chemical substance. For example, azo compound, a yellow colorant, which are widely used in orange drinks, sweets, and apricot jam. For the traditional food, all the colors come from the ingredients used naturally. Typically, pandan juice and butterfly pea flowers are used to dye the food with green and blue color. With the help of artificial colorant, the appearance of food has become more attractive and the color can also be maintained for a longer period. During the ancient time, people would only cook by using simple seasoning. They will add seasoning like salt, sugars, herbs, spices to make the food become more appetizing. But now, people tend to use chemical substances to enhance the taste of food. For instance, monosodium glutamate is a kind of flavoring which is popularly added in dishes. Moreover, aspartame is used in low-calorie desserts and soft drinks to sweeten the food as it is sweeter and has fewer calories than sugar. By using the knowledge of science, these modern flavorings provide the consumer with a wider sensory experience. In the former times, connection between countries was difficult as the transportation was still uneasy. Thus, it is hard to get overseas ingredients for cooking. People usually use local ingredients in traditional diets which come from plantation or fishing activities. Besides that, seafood was quite expensive for inland compared with coastland countries. Consequently, most people barely have seafood in their meal. Meanwhile, those imported ingredients was unaffordable for the civilian. As a result, variation of traditional diets was restricted by the ingredients that they were able to get. By comparison, the ingredients that we use now are unlimited. The development of transportation made food easy to be transported in a large amount and caused the prices of imported food to become cheaper and more affordable. The development in agriculture has also increased the variety, quantity, and quality of food. This has led to various types of reformation and innovation of food. One of the examples of the reformation of traditional food is mooncake. For traditional mooncake, its crust is made with wheat flour, while red bean or lotus seed paste for the filling. But for modern mooncake, its filling can be cheese, fruit, chocolate, and whatever you can imagine. For its outer layer, baker crush is now changed to ice skin, which gives a totally different taste compared with traditional mooncake. Last but not least, let's talk about the impact caused by traditional and modern diets on health. As the traditional diet is made from naturally occurring foods, it contains lots of nutrients which is essential to maintain a healthy body. For the modern diet, we always consume food which contains a lot of chemical substances. Over-intake of some chemical substance can cause disease such as diabetes, hypertension, and hyperglycemia. From the other aspect, modern diets come with more attractive appearance and provide us with a better taste compared to traditional diet. In your opinion, which kind of diet do you prefer to? Whatever which one you do prefer, we must make sure that the meal we eat have included all the nutrients we need, which can make our body become healthier. This is the end of my sharing. Thanks for watching.